I am creating a class. Okay, suppose that I took an example of computer, so I am going with computer. Any if you have any suggestion, then we can set example for that. Any suggestion, or should I move with the computer? Because I am going to create, related. I'm going to make computer as parent and laptop as its child, and I'm going to, integrate both, and I will try to execute the details of the common properties of these two elements. Is it okay, or
Yeah,
some different thing?
whatever
Yes,
everyone is
it is
comfortable with,
fine.
yeah.
Suppose that I have a class. I am creating a class, okay, with a computer. Okay.
Mhm.
Uh, like if you define computer, okay, suppose that if you are defining a computer with init method, init, and about that, the first thing will come is self, and a computer have its like weight, battery backup, like CPU, UPSC, and other things, power sources, keyboards, the weight, its screen size. There are multiple things which can consider. Okay,
Mhm.
so I am considering few things like battery life. It's battery life. Okay, and then I'm considering its weight or cost or weight. Okay, so these are the property a computer can carry every time. Okay, these, if we have some electrical device, there, that device must need some power backup. For that, I'm using this battery life. If something is being sold in market with some value, with some price or some cost, and every physical thing have its own weight. Okay, so
Mhm.
these all three things looks like the real thing. Okay, these three things, these three examples can be the property of an object. Agree or not?
Agree.
So after that, I am creating like self, battery life. If you remember this structure, so it will give a battery life. Okay, okay.
Mhm.
And again, we have second element is cost. Wait. Okay, so successfully we created this information. Again, I am defining. Okay, so that we can see the details of this computer. Okay, so I am defining the, giving the definition of show computer detail. It will be long. Okay, for this I am going to try, like I want to print it like the first invented first is, okay, suppose that this is this is good information, I think. Okay. And for its battery, I'm going to input its battery is cell dot battery line. Okay. And I'm printing its cost, like its cost is, closing this with, so everything, whatever the information I I have is correct because it's running pretty well. So this is a computer, so that I'm instigating it either with the computer or anything like any words. So I'm using, you can use anything A, B, C, D, A to Z, anything, but not with the numbers. Okay. So I'm using this. This is a computer, so that I'm using capital in this computer C naught. Okay. And for that, I'm using the information, like this is the, its battery is uh, computer not available. Okay, this is the first computer, its battery is not available. Okay, and its second information is that cost. So at that time, suppose that it cost would be 45,000. Okay, and its weight could be like 4 kg. Okay, we have this information. So now what I'm trying to execute is that I am trying to execute the show winter. So this is the first computer, its battery is not available, its cost is 45,000. Okay. So this is, suppose that if we are considering this computer as a parent. Okay. I wrote this new, exactly new thing, because to consider, to create a parent program or coding. Suppose that this is a computer. Okay, now I am creating a different second class. Okay, and for that I am using laptop. Okay, and laptop, for that laptop I am creating something. Okay, and again I am defining something like with init method. Okay, and again self, and like this is a parent. Okay, I'm not overwriting it. Okay, laptop, and I'm just asking it to show a detail, like I'm defining um, show laptop, and it will show a message, and that message, the first, should print first. Thankfully, my laptop have inbuilt, light. So now I have a different class, this laptop, and it will define like show laptop. Okay. And I'm going to create something which will give you a error. I'm telling you, first of all, I'm giving you an idea that the thing I'm going to instigate is will give you a error. Okay. Okay. Suppose that I'm using L for this laptop, L1 and laptop. Okay. And I'm changing these informations like this is a laptop. Okay. This is a laptop. So there could be a battery and it cost may be increased if I want to add a battery. I want to change the rate and I want to change the weight. I can change it here as well. Okay. So I am changing like a L lithium ion battery. Okay. It is a lithium ion battery and its rate is now turned at 70,000. Okay. And now the weight is reduced up to suppose that 2 kg. Okay. Any doubt?
No.
Now L1 dot show. Okay. So this is giving you like a error. Why? Because if you can see that for this laptop, I'm not defining anything. I'm just giving an command and asking this Python to show me a detail for laptop. Okay.
Right.
And the laptop is not, has not any defined property. So for that, to make it like a child, I will add here computer.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so this computer is parent of this laptop. Okay, now show what? Show computer detail.
I guess laptop detail.
Okay. So initially we have few information with computer was like it is the first computer and its battery is not available. Like you can see, this is the first computer, its battery is not available, its cost is 45,000. Now I tried to create a child and use this computer as a reference and a parent, and I'm printing a new information, and for that I'm just invoking like giving a new idea information that it has a lithium ion battery and its cost is this much and the weight is this much. So I am just invoking the show the computer detail. Can you see here? Show the computer detail. Now, if you want to like dot operator show for laptop, what was the printable entity? That it is
First
a first
advancement
advancement of computer. So when I will, give a command to print a laptop information regarding the laptop, it will give the only what we added here, like first advancement of computer. So it is showing first advancement of computer. But with this child, like if you know the inversely, like if someone says that something is directly proportional to something and something is inversely proportional to something. So it is a directly proportional to each other. These two are working with together. Like I created a parent. Okay. I created a parent. Okay. With a different information. And for that, I have a different input to, information to be printed. Not available 45,004 kg. And I printed it. Okay. I have this objective and I have this answer. As you can say that, whatever you can say that, execution. Okay. In this format, again, using this computer or using this class as a parent with a different class of laptop, I am using this computer class in a laptop class as a parent with a single property, a single printable thing. Okay. And now you can see the change. So any question, anyone, please?
So I have a question. So
Please.
whenever you doing this, you all have to define completely in detail. It's just the parent. When you start with the child, means like advanced version,
Exactly.
like laptop, you just have to just plug the parent there and just it will plug in the information. So you don't have to type in detail when you type the child. I mean, second time,
Okay.
third time, fourth time, right?
Yes. And let me tell you one thing that there is different type of you can say that this inheritance. Okay. A
Right.
single inheritance, multiple inheritance. It could be sometimes like hybrid inheritance. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the
Mhm.
example of single inheritance. Okay.
Okay.
So for inheritance, the intent of this coding is this structure is that you do not need to define everything every time. Okay, this is a
Okay, that's what
user
I was gonna
defined thing.
say.
If you are defining, like if you are creating, if you are writing a code, suppose that this computer class is